and fellow traders. In this video, I'm going to show you the turmoil that's happening right now in the stock market and how I'm benefiting from that. You're going to get to see what's happening and what this coronavirus is really bringing all the markets down. Look at on the screen. Dow Jones down, Bitcoin down, DAX down, Litecoin down, gold down. Now everything is down, and everything is down. Look at this. I mean, this is a rare moment, and you can actually benefit a lot right now by placing downward trends. I opened these 3 trades a few minutes ago, and now I'm already making about 3,500 euros within matter of minutes. Right now it's the time to make a lot of money. This is 28th of February 2020. I'll be uploading the video within a few minutes after recording. And I mean, if you're active today and you're looking at charts, everything is down, just do sell trade, okay? Very simple. I'm gonna show you what's happening, and this kind of period, you don't even need to analyze anything. No analysis needed. Just go downwards. Bam. Now, strangely enough, I also took TripAdvisor, the down arrow. You can see right there where my mouse is, and it's actually in plus, and I'm making a loss. But if you think about it, the market is going down. The biggest industry that's being hit at the moment right now are hotels, airlines, and tourism industry. And TripAdvisor is a tourism company, and for some weird reason they are in little bit of profits. Now, of course, their stock has tumbled considerably. Let's look at the chart. Their stock is declining by the second, but they've recovered a slightly, like tip of the iceberg, if you want to call it, but it's fallen considerably. Now, I didn't use TripAdvisor so much in my last trades, but this is the time you can literally buy any big name stock, and because the whole market is just like a meltdown right now. And so this is, now I've placed 5,000 here, and I've done downwards, but it seems to be increasing for some strange reason. You can see rest of these stocks which I have open, they're going downwards, and it's gonna correct itself. Now, we don't know where the markets are going to stabilize. We don't know that. Now, this was February, so the market has fallen on the 4th of February, okay? Then it increased over number of, so this is the 4th. Let's change this to candles. Okay, so this is the actually the 4th of 5th of February, and this is the 19th of February. So in 10 days the market recovered, and it's fallen again, okay? And it took it about from, let's say, 20 to 28 days to actually fall again. And so January has seen a considerable growth in the market for stock prices. You can see this is where my arrow is going. It's really 2020 has been great year, great start of the year, but right now the markets are just dropping without any airbags, okay? So right now it's a good time if you want to do sell trades. Don't even think about doing upward trend because you're just gonna lose, okay? So do look at this, look at all these, this is the time. And this coronavirus is really shaking the stock markets, and this is where the news come into play, okay? Because let's say if you were a chart trader trading based on charts, and if you didn't know about the news, okay? Now, I don't know if there's anybody on this planet who does not know about coronavirus so far. I don't know where these people are that they don't know about it, and if they were trading based only by looking at a chart, because as we know that charts have correlation about the price points, the support line and resistance lines. So if somebody was looking at them, it's not gonna make sense, because what is missing part of the puzzle is the news. The news is telling everybody that the tourism industry is getting hit hard. People are not traveling. The airlines are having a hard time, and that's affecting the markets, and that's affecting the charts. And of course, by looking at the chart without the news, you can say the market is going down, even if you didn't know there was something going wrong. But at the same time, news actually confirms that point, that why the charts are behaving like this, and then there's no then you can't really do upward trend unless there's some kind of a stability, proof of stability coming in the charts. Okay, so I don't know when this market downfall is going to stop, but until it does really stop, I'm going to go ahead and cash in on my money. And I just noticed that this Tesla stock is actually going into minus for some reason. I'm gonna take these two trades, I'm gonna close them right away, because 560 is good enough profit. I don't know what's happening with the market. I thought I will be closing 3 trades, but apparently not. But I'm just gonna close out of this trade really quickly, and I'm gonna take also this 2,000 euro profit. Okay, it's a big mistake for traders that when they see profit happening, they kind of say, okay, I'm gonna leave it open, I'm making money, I'm gonna make more money. Okay, so this is a greed factor. Streamer for this instrument, making trade. Okay, wow, this is amazing. Okay, so there's some serious problems happening. They don't even know what price to give anymore, and this is a problem. So I'm not able to close this trade. I'm gonna try it again. So it seems maybe I won't be able to close this trade, because all the brokers are even stopping the trades, you know, because they know what's happening. It's very obvious. If everybody goes in the market for using any broker that you use and go downwards, maybe it doesn't work that way. So they don't want, I don't know, I want my trade be closed and I want my money, you know. So okay, come on, yeah, let's close it, let's go. Okay, so let's see if I'm able to close that. Okay, yeah, okay, did I press yes? Let's see if I get the error again. If the error comes again, I'm going to be really annoyed, because I want my money. Don't we all? Okay, let's see what's happening. Let's close. This is my second try. I'm also gonna close. Okay, so due to low activity in the market, no prices are streamed for this instrument for making a trade. Try making a trade when its price is updated. Okay, so we have some problems getting the prices. Not to worry, I'm gonna close Netflix, and I'm going to also close Google, supposedly, as I mean, I can't be on the video the whole day, so I'm just showing you and sharing you. I'm also going to show you my trading history, because yesterday's video I told you that I'm gonna show you what's happening with my 7,600 something euros, and I have result for that. I was able to close those trades successfully, and I'm gonna show you that. So let's just do that. Let's get rid of this pop-up. I'm just gonna reload this page right here. Okay, so let's try to close this Netflix stock. Okay, I see the Tesla is back in the positive, still falling. I really want to close this stock. Let's see if I can. Yes, close. Okay, wow. So I'm not able to really trade at the moment. Okay, so I'm not gonna close this one. This, I'm not sure why this is picking up. Okay, this is really weird, and they're not actually, this is moving, so the price must be moving. If this is moving, the price must be being updated, so I should be able to close out. So hit close out, yes. Okay, Okay, so the prices are fake, you know, they're just fake prices. Because I mean, why are you moving the ticker when you're saying there are no prices? Obviously there are prices, that's why it's moving. Okay, so let's just go to my closed trades for now, because I don't know really what can I do with those trades. Everybody is just in a panic mode at the moment. This is a meltdown, a biggest meltdown of 2020 has just happened at the end of February, okay, 2020. So by the way, while this is happening, I'm able to close the trade right here with this shortcut. So I'll try that in the next few minutes and see if that happens. I'll stay on the video to show you. Okay, so what happened yesterday was I had these couple of trades open, okay, and I said I will close them, and these were closed automatically. Yes, so I did not close these trades. The broker closed these trades supposedly because of what the market is doing. It's acting crazy, and look at the crazy profits I've made. So this was open 7 days ago, this one, Netflix, and this was upward. Okay, so this is so strange. So this is one trade which I left open, and I said I'm going to make money with that, and I did. Okay, so, and the markets were all going down. I don't know how I made money with this. Seriously, I have no idea, because I made mistake of using these three stocks going upward, and that was a mistake, because I said to myself, okay, market is going down, and I started placing contra trades to reduce my losses, and I got those results, and I lost this 8,000 euro, which I showed you in my previous video. But then this is another with following the trend, following the market, I took that trade, and it actually made money. So I'm actually surprised, okay, just as you are, that how can this be that the markets were going down and Netflix actually also went down, went upwards. So this is just with jitter. Okay, so there's a word called jitter. Jitter is a noise that happens in a frequency, okay, depending on the hertz the frequency is being broadcast, just like any kind of magnetic radio wave. And chart is a resemblance of those frequencies, and the strength of frequencies and the noise in the levels vary because of jitter. Okay, jitter creates a lot of noise in the prices, and this is what's probably happened, because it was going like this. It didn't know where it was going, okay, but it went, and I actually made money by mistake. So I really like it. So anywho, yesterday I opened 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and in those trades, very simple, with eyes closed, I went down, 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 and I've made profit. So this 5,000 became 9,000. This 5,000 was more than 100% profit. So this is probably the biggest. I'm not sure which one is the biggest percentage return I got. Okay, I'm seeing 178%. Okay, so this this 2,000 euro gave me 5,570. So this is the next highest, biggest win I've seen on this account, and this is crazy. And the markets were going up. This is January, just 1 month ago, and the markets are tumbling. This is a game what big players do with, you know, when they see the market going up and down, and they ride the market, and then they make tons of money. They make millions of euros, and I'm here making few thousands, and I'm happy with it, you know. And you can do the same. All you gotta do, you go to my website, easytradingschool.com, you do a sign up here, join my program there, and you fill in your name and email, and you get started with my program, and I update you, and I train you. And I also have a Signals Telegram group which you can copy my trades. I mean, if you weren't even on the screen, you could have literally been profiting off the trades that I've been doing, because I send signals. Let me just show you the account, okay, which I have. Okay, so you're looking at the premium forex signals account, brought to you by me, with the help of other traders, that we post. Well, I don't post all of the trades because I don't have the time to sit here and do all this, but this is a service which you can join. It's one-time joining fee, join for life, and then you get signals, and you can see that after those signals have been hit and successfully, there's also result of those hits. Okay, so this is a forex account, and I also have a crypto premium channel which you can join today, and you can see the amount of hits. Now this is forex, okay, and earlier I was talking about stock. So you can join there, and to join this, all you gotta do, go to my website easytradingschool.com, and there's this menu here. You can join the free channels for Telegram. You gotta have Telegram app to join this and get started. Once you get into the free one, then there's also link to talk to the bot, and with that you can actually sign up. So this is the premium account, and then let me just show you if I can find the free forex channel. So this is the free forex channel. You can join there. I don't have a lot of people in there at the moment because I created it a few months ago. I've done a lot of testing, how the signals are going to come in, what's going to be analyzed, and who's responsible to send what and whatnot. So slowly I'm able to kind of get this working, and I have few people in there. But if you want to get started, it's really cheap to start. Just click on the button. You can pay by any credit card, you can pay by Bitcoin, doesn't matter, just join. And then you click on this one, the bot. So you click on there, and then you can okay, let's come back to this list of my closed trade, and I see there's a new trade being closed here. Okay, I'm gonna click this and see what happens, because there's a new trade actually been closed. This must have been auto close, and I think this is the Netflix trade. Okay, so this is the trade which I was trying to close, and it was giving me error, and I think maybe the prices got updated and I was able to close that automatically while I was showing you the other website. So there you can just sign up to the channel there, join my program, click on the button, watch what benefit you're getting. Okay, I've got some information there. I also created a section of how to trade. You can go there. I need to add more stuff on there, some basic stuff, and there's some videos there, and also charts. Very, very important, the charts. We need charts to trade. So when you click on this icon there, you will go to this page, and then you can choose the chart that you want to see. And then this is really, really nice, because all the charts that you need are there, completely ad-free, without a lot of clutter that you see on a lot of the websites. So very, very clean format, and you can use that to make your trading decisions. Coming back to this one, what's happening here? Okay, so I opened this yesterday. Oh, this is from yesterday. Okay, yeah, this is from yesterday, but the two that I opened today, or three that I opened today, are sitting like, I'm not sure what's happening with TripAdvisor. It cannot possibly be going up, but if it is, it's just a glitch in the system. Okay, so I'm gonna try to close this trade. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna hit close out, and that will be all my trading for today. Okay, and I really, really thank everybody for watching the videos. Do subscribe if you want to watch more videos brought to you by me. I share and tell you everything without any nonsense, no no hiding, nothing. Everything is there. Okay, I have to cover up some of my personal things, my personal chats and whatnot. Okay, so I only have the TripAdvisor trade open. Let's have a look at that. And this is okay. I'm not sure why this is happening, why it's not going down, but it's okay. Let's just look at the closed trades, and we can see that I've gotten just so I opened at 14:44, which is 2 o'clock 44, and 3:31. So it's less than 1 hour, 50 minutes. Okay, or 50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes. And I made about 130 there and 430 there. So about like it's like 1,000 euro. Okay. And this one I made 3,000 because this was an older trade from yesterday. This is a trade from yesterday. I made 8,000 on that one. So 3,000, 3,000, 6,000, 6,000, 9,000, and then 9 and 5 is 14,000. And there's another one. 14 plus 4 is 18,000. So this is 18,000 euros. Oh my gosh. 14,000. You know, it's not so much as I made that much of money, but it's how quickly and how easily I made that money. That's what's so freaking fun, okay? And it's very, very exciting. Okay. You know, I need a break. I think I'm off for the next 7 days. So if you don't see me for the next 7 days, don't blame me, because this is really, really fun stuff. 19,000 euros. Can I round this 19 to 20,000? Should I party for the next 10 days? Maybe I should. But the thing is, whenever this market is going to wanna bounce back, because right now there's traders around the world doing downward sell trades around the world, and this is so dangerous for the people who actually was trading normally, you know, trading upwards, looking at, you know, done all that work, but all of that just wiped out within seconds. Corona came and just took over everything, and everything became just wrong. Okay, just wrong. I'm gonna look at what's happening with let's see. Okay, which is my highest? Tesla. Tesla is getting the highest losses. Now Tesla's Cybertruck, when that came out, Tesla stock started going up, and that's when I also purchased Tesla stock. I mean, you can see I've got Tesla going upwards. Look at this. You know, I turned 2,000 into 5,000 in January, and that's about when they had the Cybertruck coming out. Okay, so now also what's good, that my average has increased now. It was about 8%. First it was 35%. Then I had these two losses. Okay, then it dropped to 8%. I think 8%, and now it's 23%. Thanks for the last 2 days of this coronavirus madness. Okay, so this is okay. Why am I Euro USD? I want to look at this one. Tesla, yes. Okay, Tesla. Okay, let's just go to Nasdaq. Tesla. Okay, so this is what's happening. Wow, this is crazy. I mean, Tesla never had this peak ever. And I think all the talk was about the truck, the Cybertruck, which hasn't come out. You know, you can pay $100 to put some money down, and you get it after 2 years, and then you pay the full price. It's madness. I really feel for the people who were doing buy trades. I'm really feeling it. You know, this game is just two people on the two sides. It's like a tennis game, and if you're on the wrong side, boy or girl, you know, this is really bad. TripAdvisor is starting to give me a headache, because I do have 5,000 in there, but to be honest, I'm gonna leave it, because you know what, I hate stop losses. If you don't know about this, watch my previous videos in which I express my hate. Okay, I don't hate anything or anyone, actually. I express my concerns about stop losses, and I will not do that with this trade. So okay, I just love looking at this page. I just love it. Do you love it? write me a comment on the comment box and tell me if you love it or not. Okay, I started this account from 25,000 euro. Okay, and I gave you a background of this account in my previous video. And if I look at what's been happening in this month on this account, we can see my return has been 23%. Okay, well, it's okay. So it's same as the other one. Okay, but for the whole week, yeah, it's 22 because of these two trades. Okay, let's just go back here. So I really okay, let's look at the amount of money. Okay, so this is amount of money I've generated. So now what you're looking at a screen. Okay, I started with 25,000 euro with this account back in end of November or start of January. Okay, December, and you can see my first trade was in January or somewhere around there. Okay, and then what we have here is I've doubled my money. So I went from 25,000 euro to 27,000 euro gain, and I've doubled my money. So I've made half of the money that I would normally make doing some hard work throughout the year. This is probably like 6 months money for me, and I pretty do okay with that. But the problem is there are times ahead in which I'm going to lose, and that means that money comes off this. And overall, my goal is not to only win. My goal is to make net profit. That means I want to make more profits than I'm making losses. So overall, I come out in positive. That's all my goal is. If by the end of the year I've lost all this money, 25,000 euro, and whatever I'm gonna make in the next few months, I'm not gonna feel good about it. But if I had made extra money in which I've covered my living expenses and done the things that I wanted to do, I'm effectively living the life that a lot of people dream for. And this is the goal. This is the financial freedom that I have been offering to my followers, and you can join me. You're welcome, okay, to join me. So with that, I think I'm gonna end at this, and this is really mind-blowing. I mean, I can literally place more trades right now going downwards and I will make money, but I don't want to do that because I just want to, I don't want to overtrade. Let's put it this way. I don't want to overtrade because I'm on the video. I want to do some analysis, read the news, and let's see what happens, because I also need to do some other stuff, and it's time to go. And I will see you very soon in the next update, in which I'm going to show you how to select which trades are same, which I talked to you about my in my last video. I'm gonna show you how to decide which stocks you need to select in order to trade with. And that's very important, because look over here. I'm effectively using the same stocks all the time, same, up down, up down, up down. Okay, but you need to select. Now of course you can also use these stock names for you right now. You can start using these stocks, but you also need to know which ones. But how I selected them, why, I will show you in my next video. And then this is where you need to learn and be more experienced. Or if you just want to copy my trades, you can join my trading course, which I have on sale. And also you can, with that, you get the signals group for free. You can choose which group you want to be in. You want to be in forex group, or you want to be in crypto group. It's your choice. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you again, and take care.